Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video we are talking about the one and only Ntuli. So we all know Uti, she recently got fired. No, not fired. She recently resigned from her work from the radio station Gagas because of the pay. She was getting paid 2.8 a month, working 4 days a month, because it was every Sunday. So Sana, she recently got a new opportunity to work at Jozi FM, and this is what she wrote on Facebook. She said, "I woke up at 5 a.m. today, excited for my first day at work today. Please welcome me to Jozi FM, channel 878 on TSTV. I'll be on your radio every Monday to Friday on the mid-morning chat show between 9 to 12. We are really happy for her. We are really excited to hear what she has in store for us, because I believe it's going to be different from what she was doing at Kakasi FM. And also this is a good opportunity because at least now she is working Monday to Friday. So obvious, the salary is going to be much better than at Kakasi FM, And some people were arguing on Facebook, like, no, 2.8 is enough, wara, but guys, each to their own, right? Now, on other news, our beloved sister, Noxolo Ntuli, who has been on our screens for a very, very long time, guys. Growing up, we grew up watching her in the news, like, doing her job. She's a news reader. For those who don't know, she's a news reader for the SABC News. I know a lot of people don't watch news those days, guys, but please just watch the news, guys. Watch the news. And growing up, we were forced to watch the news because our parents were watching the news and we had no cell phones, so it was a must for us to watch the news. Now, Kesana, today I come bearing bad news. She posted on her Facebook that she is leaving the SABC after so many years of service. She didn't really specify the reason for her leaving SABC, but the way that she wrote that paragraph, guys, you can literally tell Ukuti it was not her choice to leave the station. But she didn't say Ukuti she was fired or whatnot, but the paragraph just tells it all, hey, because she's saying that she is so sad to be leaving the radio station and whatnot. It's been a good years of service and whatnot. This is what she wrote. She posted on Facebook and said, "The sadness in my heart as I type this. 15 years at the public broadcaster. I started as a kids news presenter in 2009, moved on to doing the weather report for the main news bulletin, and later started anchoring the lunchtime and main news evening bulletin. June 2023 started presenting a 3-hour breakfast show called Ekhaya Jikelele. There is nothing I loved more than ukufunda izindaba ngesiZulu, uqhakambisa ulimi lwethu. I learned a lot. I grew so much as a news anchor and as a presenter. Unfortunately, everything comes to an end. I am heartbroken to announce that 27 March was my last bulletin at the SABC Zulu desk. Thank you at SABC for the opportunity. Thank you so much to my wonderful audience who always showed me the greatest love, sending messages of appreciation and support. I love you so much, Sizwe Sikaphunga, Nomakeba, and I also a lot of non-Zulu speaking people who tuned in even when they couldn't understand a word that was uttered. uNkulunkulu anibusise, uNkulunkulu unami nakulesikhathi ngiyamethemba. Wow. So guys, you see what I was saying ne? Ukuthi you can tell ukuthi like this was not by choice. This was definitely not by choice. Like, why would she be saying that she is so sad if she is the one who was resigning, you know? But yeah, she didn't say anything whether she was forced to leave, whether she resigned, whether, you know, she didn't say anything. We wish all the best for her. May God bless her in her new journey. May God open doors for her, you know, in other parts, you know. We just wish all the best for her. And yeah, guys, it's really sad, man. You know, the internet, the entertainment industry, the TV industry, let me not say it, it's really not guaranteed, hey? But at least she had the chance to work like for the whole 15 years, you know. But lapayana, like, it's really not guaranteed. One day you have a job, the next day you don't have a job. You need to have a side hustle on the side because you never know, hey? You never know. But yes, guys, that's all I have for today. Please make sure that you like this video and comment down below in the comment section anything that you want to say to me. I will see you on my next one. Bye.